Come on in. Come on. Hello. Hey. Have you got an egg for me? I'm seeking to make pickled eggs. Now it's some oatmeal, dear. You got an egg for me? Yeah, now. Oh, look, lovely jolly. Just for the doctor ordered. No, thank you very much for the eggs. Fit like abdee. I hope you're all keeping well. And welcome to my channel. This is the time of year I make my pickled eggs for hogmanay. I've got all my eggs, pickle jar, and some vinegar. And I'll be using a lemon as well, and some sugar, and a sip of water and all mixed in. But I'll show you it in a minute. Yeah, I'll want to get the eggs on the boil. That's them boiled, so I'll just pour cold water into them now to cool them down. Now I'm just going to leave him in that cold water to cool down so I can peel him. Now to peel him. Now peeling the eggs can be the hardest bit today, because some eggs seem to peel okay, and then the next eggs is really the fatty bits. But I think the older the egg is, the easier it is to peel. It comes out good. Hey, Floss, you behave now. I'm speaking to the camera, not you. No. Floss. You behave. Floss. Floss. Stop it. Eggs are peeled. You go. You go. 1 mug of vinegar. And 1 mug of water. 1, 2, 3, heaped tablespoons of sugar. And a level tablespoon of salt. And I'm also going to add a small onion. Bring that to the boil. Switch that off now. And let that cool down a bit. We're going to slice up a couple of lemons. Pop the eggs into the jar. Then a lemon. A couple of eggs. Lemon. Now, as you can see, it's bunny Christmassy colour. Once it's cooled down a bit, we pour it in. A lovely jar of pickled eggs for the hogmanay. You can't beat a pickled egg at hogmanay. And I'll stick it in the fridge. They'll be ready for hogmanay. And I'm looking forward to them. Merry Christmas to you when it comes round. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Mind and like and subscribe to my wee channel, Fishing Things. Now, that's it for now. I'll catch you after.